Alright, boys and girls, here we are going to be looking at same thing with subtraction, but this time we're going to be doing a little regrouping. Instead of taking off one part, then taking off another part, we're going to be using rounding. So this 18 here is very close to 20. We're rounding it up, but because we're rounding it up, we're actually increasing this amount that we're taking away by 2. So instead of taking away just 18, we're not taking away 2 more, we're taking away a total of 20. And so that's why down here, when you look at, okay, 82 take away 20 gives me that 64, or sorry, 62. That 62, I have to add 2 onto there because that 2 extra here was taken away, and so because 2 extra was taken away, I have to put back that 2 that I took away from. So when I look at 82 and I took away the 20 that gives me 62, I added 2 more to get 64. So 82 take away 18 gives me 64. And I think about on my number bonds as far as like, well, if this 18 here is what I'm starting with, I can go 2 more that I can take away to make a nice easy 20 that I'm going to be taking away from my problem. So that's where your number bonds come in handy. Let's try it out here. Watch the following steps, and then you're going to try it on your own, so watch carefully. 38, notice that it's already pushed up to 40. Well, to push it up to 40, this 38 needs to be increased by 2. I'm taking 2 more away from this problem to make it a nice easy problem. Okay, so that 75 take away 40 would give me 35. And because 35 had 2, that was the answer for taking 2 more away, well, now I have to put that 2 back. So that 35 plus the 2 gives me 37, or sorry, 37. There you go. So 75 take away 38 is 37. Now, if we come down here, try this problem on your own, press pause, and try it on your whiteboard, and then come back, press play, see how you did. Okay, so hopefully you've worked out all the steps on your whiteboard. You'll see that we have this 45 here that's being changed to 50. Well, that 50 is just 45 rounded up by 5 more. Okay, there's 5 more that is being pushed up. So I take away that nice easy number of that 50. So 83 take away 50 gives me that 33. Well, remember, because I took 5 more than I originally intended to take away, 5 more, I need to put that 5 back. So that 33 plus the 5 gives me that 38. And so 83 take away 45 gives me 38. Alright, so now try some mental math here using either method that you've learned today. The first method from that first video, or even the second method from the second video. Press pause, try all of these 6 problems here, or at least get as far as you can with the time that we have, and then press play to be able to see the answers. Alright, so now that you're back, let's actually get rid of, there are those answers, and there are those answers. And not only are the answers important, but it's more about knowing how to go through and think about these mentally. Were you taking like this into 30 and you were taking that part away and then you were taking away the 2 that was left? Or like for this one here, did you round this up to 20? And so it was 51, take away 20, nice, easy, give me 31. But because I took away 1 more, now I need to put that 1 more back here, give me 32. Okay, so that's what you're trying to go through, that mental process of how do I break these numbers up into nice, easy, friendly numbers, and then doing a little extra step to get to the